Good morning. I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present some important points of attitude is everything, written by Jeff Keller. Change your attitude, change your life. The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind. William James. You are not what you think you are, but what you think you are. Dr. Norman Vincent Peale. Never underestimate your power to change yourself. H. Jackson Brown Jr. A positive attitude is a person's passport to a better tomorrow. Unknown. Think, act, and talk with enthusiasm, and you will attract positive results. Michael Lefebvre. Jeff Keller said, when you think, speak, and act in ways that support your success, you are firing all cylinders and on the way to achieving phenomenal results in your life. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Dr. Joyce Brothers. Your attitude is your window to the world. Better keep yourself clean and bright. You are the window through which you must see the world. George Bernard Shaw. Attitudes are a secret power, working 24 hours a day for good or bad. A definition of attitude. Think of your attitude as the mental filter through which you experience the world. Some people see the world through the filter of optimism, the glass being half full, while others see life through a filter of pessimism, the glass being half empty. The person with positive attitude think I can, and negative I can't. The person with positive attitude concentrate on solutions, and negative dwells on problems. The person with positive attitude looks for the good in others, and negative find fault with others. The person with positive attitude counts his or her blessings, and negative focuses on what missing. The person with positive attitude sees possibilities and negative sees limitation. You cannot always control circumstances, but you can control your own thoughts. Charles Poppleston. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. William Shakespeare. A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. Hugh Downs. Attitude is everything. Without a positive attitude, you cannot activate the other principles. Your success in life begins and ends with your attitude. Learn to keep your attitude window clear. The light comes pouring in, and you can use these empowering principles to earn more money, have more satisfying relationships, increase your spiritual awareness, and reach your full potential. When you combine a positive attitude with the other success principles, you become unstoppable. Whether you think you can or think you cannot, you are right. Henry Ford. Earl Nightingale's the great success writer, addressed in his famous recorded message entitled The Strongest Secret. In this program, he identified the key to success in just 6 words. We become what we think about. We become what we think about. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. Benjamin Disraeli. What the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Napoleon Hill. According to Bible, if you can believe, all things are possible. You must take control of your mental activity and think positively throughout each and every day until it becomes a habit. What sincerely believe regarding ourselves is true for us. Orison Swett Marden. 2 steps to help you become more positive and get the results you want. Step 1. Every day, read some positive, uplifting literature. Step 2. Every day, listen to motivational audio programs. Remember, positive thinking doesn't mean that you will achieve your goals overnight. Not by a long shot. Success requires effort, commitment, and patience. You must first see a thing in your mind before you can do it. Alex Morrison. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert Einstein. In the way of progress, your first step is to create an image of your desired outcome. You are limited only by your imagination. Remember that you are the producer, director, scriptwriter, lighting coordinator, costume designer, and casting director of your own mental movies. You have control over the pictures that occupy your mind. Jeff Keller. Because you can think a white elephant, a blue elephant, a red elephant. Vision is the art of seeing things invisible to others. Jonathan Swift. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. Effort only fully release its reward after a person refused to quit. Napoleon Hill. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable. Sir Thomas Buxton. You become a champion by fighting one more round. When things are tough, you fight one more round. James J. Corbett. One person with a commitment is worth more than 100 people who have only an interest. Mary Crowley. The rewards for those who persevere far exceed the pain that must precede the victory. Ted Engstrom. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equivalent or greater benefit. Napoleon Hill. No pressure, no demands. Mary Cass. The things which hurt instruct. Benjamin Franklin. Thank you. Remaining part in next episode.